Hi, this is the HOTWAV Pad 8 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option, click here to the switcher to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi. To the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you will see here all of the available networks which you could use. Select one from the networks and after that enter the password. Tap to OK, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel first and you'll see here internet icon. Just tap on it, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn off this option you should click to the switcher, and after that just tap here to see all to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.